Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. Ipapasyal ko kayo ngayon sa pinaka-old na temple dito sa Hong Kong. Maglalakad lang ako dito sa Central sa may Hang Seng Bank papunta sa Sheung Wan. So let's go! Back sa aking channel. Today, pupunta tayo sa Humanmu Temple. Isa sa pinaka-old na temple dito sa Hong Kong. Samahan niyo ako! So ayun guys, dito tayo dadaan sa Wing On papunta dun sa may gold na building. Tatawid tayo dyan papunta sa Sheung Wan. So ayan guys, dito tayo tatawid and then may makikita tayong Greenfield Cafe. Tatawid tayo dyan and then diretso tayo dun sa may unahan. And then yan, makikita natin ang Nilaksa. Sa tapat niya, yung may hagdan, dyan tayo aakyat. Ayan guys, malapit na tayo sa temple. Before tayo darating sa temple, may makikita tayong mga Chinese galleries, souvenirs, and boutiques. So if you want to go for treasure and antique huntings, be sure to visit Upper Lascaux and Hollywood Road. Ayan, ang daming mga souvenirs na mura lang. Andito na tayo guys sa Humanmu Temple. And can you believe this temple is between skyscraper? Right next to the temple, you will find a lot of galleries and boutiques selling Chinese arts. Close pa sila kasi maaga akong pumunta sa temple. Manmo Temple has a long history which dates back to the early 1840s. It was created as a sign of devotion of man to literature and civilization. Before tayo papasok guys, mag-scan muna tayo ng QR code. So ayan. The temple was made as a sign of man being the god of literature and culture. Mo, on the other hand, is the god of war who used to guide the warriors during wars. These are the hanging coals and burning incense. It gives the Manmo Temple a mystical atmosphere. The two deities were popularly patronized by scholars and students seeking progress in their study or ranking the civil examinations in the Ming and Qing dynasties. So, karamihan din pumunta dito ay mga students na gustong pumasa sa exams o lalo na yung mga nagbo-board exams. Treasure like this in the heart of the city make Hong Kong interesting. Kaya nung before pandemic, 2019, it was my first time na nag-visit dito at ang daming mga tourists na nag-tour and nag-visit dito sa Manmo Temple. The spiraling incense slowly burning, the soft sunlight coming through the rooftop, hanging lanterns, the red notes with prayers, and the thick smell of incense smoke creates a mystical ambience which you can't help but pray even if you're a non-believer. guys, tapos na ang ating pagpunta doon sa Manmo Temple. Thank you so much for watching my video. Just a quick tour sa oldest temple in Hong Kong. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ingat! Bye-bye!